Once inside of a case perspective in Client Profiles, you not only have the ability to customize the information in regards to the law type, but you also have the ability to customize the order in which this information shows up in. My personal recommendation is always to default to the summary screen as you see here, because this is a completely customizable screen that's designed to show you whatever information you want to see at a quick glance when you first enter into the file. Other items below are more context specific. So if we look at summary, of course it's a good summary of the information. If we were to click on the parties, that's going to show us a detailed listing of all the parties that are involved in this matter. What's nice about this parties list and what makes this a favorite from the attorney standpoint is it's not just a listing of the parties, but it also shows how these parties relate to one another within this matter specifically. So you can see here the plaintiff, Brett Newton, was treated at Orlando Regional Medical Center by Dr. Kendall Atkins, Phil Jackson, and Jack Mills. Additionally, if you look below, you can see the defendant, Paul and Mary Walton. Their insurance company is Allstate, and who's the adjuster at Allstate. So from a very quick glance, you have the ability to see not only who all the parties are involved in this matter, but exactly in what role and how they relate to the other players within a specific case. Other items along the left-hand side includes information such as incident, which gives us the ability to track all of the incident information relating specifically for this case. Some other items, such as scheduled events or to-do items, gives us the ability to see all the appointments or tasks that relate specifically to this matter. Very helpful to be able to see, again, ticklers and reminders and appointments relating specifically to the matter. Exchange mail is also an option, which gives us the ability to be able to track all of the email correspondence in regards to this matter. Whether the emails are sent through the Client Profiles interface or through Microsoft Outlook, you'll have the ability to be able to see all of the email relating to this matter in one particular spot. Documents offers document management, scanning and imaging, and document assembly, again, all in regards specifically to this individual case. Comments gives us the ability to be able to make a running notes list or running log of any communications or any comment that we want to make in regards to the file. Very helpful, again, to have one place for all this information to go. So no matter who's having a telephone call or who's has a note that they want to place on this file, there's one central location to place that information and have it viewable and accessible by everybody working this matter. Time slips. If we want to be able to see a listing of all the time entry that's occurred on this case so far, either in a calendar view or within a list view, that is available to us here within this matter perspective. Additionally, another item here is a journal. Shows us a complete history of everything that has occurred in this matter. What I really like about the journal is that it's not something that a user has to say, oh, I want to commit this to the journal. Client Profiles automatically tracks all of the activity that occurs on this particular matter or any matter in the system, and will create a complete running timeline here of everything that has occurred. And finally, down at the bottom, conflicts of interest. Client Profiles is a built-in conflicts of interest management system that works kind of in two ways. First, it allows you to be able to run full conflict searches at the very onset of a case. So as we gain access to all the parties that are going to be involved in this matter, we can run one conflict search or a full conflict search and see exactly how all the particular individuals that are involved in this matter, if they have any potential conflicts within all the other matters within the system. Additionally, as parties get entered through the life cycle of the particular case, we give you the ability to run individual party searches, where the system actually prompts the user as that party is entered into the system to run these conflict searches. And you have the ability again to view that information here just on a single party entry. So as you can see, lots of capabilities and lots of flexibility is offered here for the information and functionality you want to track within this matter. And you can add or remove these items based on the specific needs of your practice area or your particular law firm.